night. El ritmo suena. Can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how.
Hi, welcome to RB's Diecast Garage. Let's see what we got today. Today we got 64 para 1:64 scale 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 Prado black, and we got another one in a different color. It's a meteor shower. So let's look at this one first, the black one, my favorite, then we'll move to the other one. Okay, let's see. It's a very nice looking car. Let me take it out of the case. Toyota branding on the grille, Land Cruiser on the back. Let's unscrew this quickly. Okay, here's we got the car. It's got nice rubber tires, a spare wheel at the bottom, little detail here at the bottom, actually light inserts, and nice looking front lights, rear looking mirrors, rear wiper. It's amazing. Fun to drive. It's a nice car. Costs around 2,000. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and see you in the next video. RB signing off. Bye bye.